Hello everyone. It's Maddie with Spectrum Art Creations, and I wanted to share with you guys the beautiful new collection by Craft Consortium. It is called Botany Boutique, and it is gorgeous. I had and I'm going to show you here, kind of, the collection at its on its full, but I am going to also show you piece by piece of this beautiful collection. As I was saying, I had um, a fabulous time taking a class by Sarah Jackman Reed, beautiful person and artist. And in that class, we just made some amazing makes. So those are coming your way. But I wanted to share the collection in case you have not seen it yet. Again, it's called Botany Boutique, and it is stunning. I know the camera tends to fight with the black, so it's going to wash out some other stuff, but hopefully once we get past that point, maybe here, um, let me remove this so it's not fighting with that. You can see how pretty it is. Absolutely gorgeous. Great, of course, paper, as they always have. Gorgeous cut aparts, so you can have some ephemera, but there is ephemera also along with this. You're going to get 3 of each page, so I'm just going to skip through since you know that you have 3 of each page. Again, great for backgrounds or even cut aparts. I think these are succulents, right? You guys can tell me in the comments if I'm wrong. Very nature oriented. And when I do the actual video for the projects, I will share some more information about the artist and the inspiration, because that's always good to have a little bit of background as well. But absolutely lovely. Look at those vines, and the colors are just gorgeous. Very neutral, very elegant. You have some that are black background. You have some that are that off-white, almost not a cream, but just a very soft white. And you can see how this can be used, year after year. So you get plenty of paper. That is the 12 by 12. It also comes in the gorgeous 6 by 6 size for smaller projects. It's the exact same collection. I love the black on white. And we're going to use that page, by the way, for our projects. Actually, we're going to make 2 projects from this pad as inspiration. Also, you have the A4 solids. So you get 20 double-sided sheets, 200 GSM in all of the coordinating colors that are used throughout the beautiful collection, okay? So you have all the colors to match there as well. In addition, there are also beautiful stamp sets. For example, look at this one right here. Fabulous details. And this one right here. I love how is that the date. Beautiful quotes. From little seeds grow mighty trees. Indeed. Super fun, right? Then we also have rub-ons. So you get 2 sheets of rub-ons. And yes, we're going to use these on our project. And in addition to that, you also have your chipboard ephemera, and these are adhesive, so they have a backing, and all you have to do is peel off that backing, but they are chipboard, which is great because they add great dimension to projects. And of course, as I've shared in previous classes, if you want to thin them down, you most certainly can as well, right? So you have that option. And then we have the gorgeous dewdrops, and we're going to have the clear, and we're also going to have the green. And so we are going to be able to create using all the gorgeousness in this new collection. So wanted to introduce you to that, but coming up, of course, will be some fabulous projects. Plus, I can't wait to see what you guys make. If you're interested in any of the products that you see here, as well as the upcoming craft along classes, then feel free to read the information in the description box, and of course visit our online store because we have amazing products in there as well for you. And if you can't find something, you can always email us. Odds are we have it in house and we just have not had the time to list it. But thank you so much for joining. I will leave you here with some still photos for you guys to enjoy some other close-ups. I will see you on the next video. Thanks. Bye.